How to get apps without parents' permission. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can get apps without parents' permission. So first of all, just open your Apple Store or your Play Store on your device. And after that, just click on your profile. And under your profile, just click on settings. And under the settings, you can see this option called Family, Parental Control and Parent Guide. Just click on that. As you can see that my parental control is off, and if you see that your parental control is on, just click on that and enable the parental control. And after that, just come back to your home screen of your Play Store and just search for any app that you want to download and just click on install. And here you will see that it will not ask you for parental permission and you can simply download your app on your device. So this is how you will be able to get apps without parents' permission. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.